Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of language on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of REDnote and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. After that we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of REDnote. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.